Have you ever looked at your calendar and realised you booked solid, but emotionally empty? You are doing everything right. You work hard, you achieve more than most, and yet there is this quiet exhaustion underneath everything. That is burnout. And burnout isn't just being tired. It's being disconnected from yourself. Today, I'm going to show you how to recover from burnout in a way that restores your energy, your clarity, and your peace of mind. Not just your productivity. If you ever felt like you lost your spark somewhere along the way, this video is for you. Take a breath and let's begin. Burnout starts with tiny energy leaks. Burnout rarely begins with a breakdown. It begins with micro betrayal of your energy. You work through lunch. You push through fatigue. You silence your body's signal. You say yes when everything in you is screaming no. And slowly, your system learns. Your needs don't matter. Your nervous system stays in flight or flight mode, and the body can't repair itself in that state. Your energy doesn't disappear, it gets trapped in survival mode. Step 1. Reclaim your baseline. Before you can recover, you need to stabilise your baseline. Here's what that means. Your body needs to feel safe again. Try this daily grounding reset. 3 minutes of slow breathing, long exhale then inhales. This tells your nervous system it's safe to sand down. 1 non-negotiable pause every day. It can be a 10-minute walk, sitting in silence, a cup of tea without any distraction, closing your eyes and breathing. This is not wasting time. This is resetting your system so you can finally start healing. Step 2. Identify your number 1 energy drain. There is always one thing that drains you more than anything else. For the corporate people, these are the most common things. Overgiving, people pleasing, carrying emotional labour at work or at home. Lack of boundaries, never having a moment alone. Feeling responsible for everyone's emotions. Ask yourself, if I remove or reduce one thing in my life right now, what would give me the biggest relief? That is where your healing begins. Not with adding more tasks, but by distracting the right ones. Burnout is often healed by what you stop doing. Step 3. Rebuild your personal energy rituals. High achievers love structure, but they often structure only for work. You need structure for your energy as well. Here are 3 powerful rituals helps you reset your energy. Number 1, morning energetic alignment. before the world enters your mind, enters your body first. A few breaths, a gentle stretch, or even gratitude journaling reconnects you to yourself. Number 2, emotional release practice. Burnout is not a lack of time. It's a build-up of unprocessed emotion. Try this: journaling, going for a walk, shaking out your body, even crying if needed. Energy must move. Number 3, end of the day reset. Close your laptop, then close your energy. Place your hand on your chest and say, I release everything that isn't mine to carry. It's simple, but incredibly powerful. Step 4, rewire the mindset that creates burnout. Burnout is not caused by work. It's caused by the beliefs under the work. The most common high achiever burnout beliefs are: I have to do everything myself. This makes me fall behind. If I slow down, everything will fall apart. I need to earn my worth. These beliefs run the show until you bring them into the light. Here is your reframe. Rest is not the opposite of productivity. It's the foundation of it. When your energy is aligned, you think clearer, make better decisions, feel more creative, stop wasting time on things that don't matter. Burnout is a sign that you have outgrown your old identity, not a sign that you have failed. Step 5, rebuild life from your highest energy. Once your energy returns, you step into a new level of self-awareness. Ask yourself, if my energy was fully restored, what would I stop doing? And what would I start doing? This is where real transformation happens. You don't just recover, you upgrade. Stronger boundaries, clearer priorities, aligned actions, higher standards, deeper self-respect. This becomes your new normal. Burnout is not your identity. It's simply the moment your soul says, you are meant for more than this pace, this pressure, this version of you. If this video helped you reconnect with yourself, let me know in the comments. And if you are ready to go deeper into burnout recovery, energy alignment, and restoring your mental clarity, I have created a powerful free 15-minute energetic recalibration guide. The link is below. Remember, burnout is not the end. It is your turning point. Your energy can rise again. So can you. And see you in the next video. Thank you for watching Unparalleled Lifestyle. Many blessings, wherever you are in the world.